We're going to take a look at Webex Contact Center with Zendesk. So as my agent logs in the upper right corner, they're presented with an icon for Webex Contact Center. When I click on that, it's going to render the agent desktop. So from here, my agent can control their contact center experience. So I can move between states from not ready to available and begin handling inbound calls. Also have the ability to outdial from here. So I can either use the phone book, the keypad, even restamp the outbound digits as needed. Let's go ahead and put in a couple different interactions. So the first one I'm going to place is going to be a single record match.
Thank you for calling Cisco. Hello.
Okay, here comes that call. It is ringing. All right, and we've gone from ringing now to answered. So as I move between the states here, you see this timer started as soon as I connected with my customer. So that's going to go for the duration of the call. Also down below, any variables that were gathered in the process, went ahead and pop those to the agent's desktop. If I need to preserve one of those, I can copy it to the clipboard, paste it wherever it's needed. Also inside Zendesk, you notice I popped directly to this customer record. And because they had one single ticket open, it went ahead and opened that up. I can handle that interaction. And when I am ready to complete it and I end the call, it's going to go ahead and take all those contact center stats and write those back into Zendesk. Let me go ahead and submit that. And you'll see the new record. I've got my wrap-up code, all my call information as part of that ticket. So also, if I need to call this customer back, maybe I've done some additional work and I just had one more detail, but I need to get a hold of them. I don't need to manually dial that number. I can go ahead and open this up and actually click to dial, and it will dial the number on record. We went ahead and queued that outbound call. Go ahead and pick that up and then connect with our customer. Just like the process we did a moment ago. We go ahead and wrap that up. Place myself back in available. And let me close these records and move to our next interaction. Okay, so now I'll place a call in where I have multiple tickets open so you can see what that experience looks like. Here comes our inbound call.
For calling Cisco. Hello, Doug calling.
All right, we went ahead and picked up. So the same experience we had before, but this particular customer has 2 tickets open right now. So the system is not sure which one to select. So it's going to present a list of those open tickets to my agent. So my agent will select the appropriate ticket and then complete the interaction. When they disconnect, the system will go ahead and write that information into the ticket just as it did before. And then the final interaction, I'm going to call in with no records match.
Thank you for calling Cisco. Hello, Doug calling from 197.
Okay, here comes that inbound call. I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. And because I did not have a customer that matched those inbound digits, the system went ahead and auto-generated a marker. I can assign this ticket to the appropriate customer if it's an existing one, or I can create a new interaction as needed. And that concludes our brief demonstration of Webex Contact Center with Zendesk.